nice living area here. Kitchen area, which is again relatively, it's again a nice spacious master bedroom, comfortably accommodates a Hello and welcome to Housey. Today I'm quite thrilled to give you a tour of this lovely property called the Right Life by Manaskanda. And this property is located on the Vartur Sarjapur Road. And before I give you more details about this lovely property, let me introduce you to Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that directly connects home buyers with developers, thus giving you the property at a bottom rate price. Housey saves you from the hassle of receiving numerous calls from various brokers by directly connecting you with the developer. And you can book your dream home directly with the developer through Housey. Now let me give you an overview of this lovely project called the Right Life by Manaskanda. This property is spread across a land parcel of 31 acres consisting of about 9 towers, and these 9 towers are located on the Vartur Sarjapur Road, and this property has 3 and 3.5 BHK apartments. And now talking about the connectivity, this property is located about 10 minutes from Wipro Kodati, about 15 minutes from Sarjapur Road, and 40 minutes from Electronic City. Now talking about the amenities, this property boasts of 18 plus amenities, as you can have a look here. So it includes a swimming pool, basketball court, you have hammock garden, fruit orchard, event lawn area, and a lot more. Now I'm going to give you a tour of the sample flat, which is a 3.5 BHK sample flat of the Right Life by Manaskanda, and this flat has a super built up area of 2,244 square feet per unit. As you come in, you can see there is a nice foyer area here, which is very nicely done up, and some cabinets have been added for some extra space. It's a nice welcoming foyer area, and as you move forward, you have a nice living area here, which again accommodates 4 to 6 seater sofa, and you can throw in some extra chairs for added touch. And this place also has nice natural lighting, you can see here. With a nice huge balcony. This balcony is a perfect spot for you to host your friends and family or enjoy a nice evening cup of tea. And then this living area, you have right adjacent to it, you have a nice dining area, which again accommodates a 6-seater dining space with a nice area here for added cabinets or to store your crockery. And then let's move to the kitchen area, which is again relatively little more larger. Yeah. And then you have nice cabinets added here. You have cabinets on the top again for the extra storage space. And this extends up to a nice utility area outside, which has enough space to accommodate a nice sink, maybe a dishwasher, washing machine, and enough space for your storage as well. So this was the kitchen area. Something I'm sure you would have noticed is that nice study area that's very nicely tucked in there in the corner. It's a nice cozy spot. Okay. It accommodates a nice large study table. The space here can be utilized to add more cabinets if required. And you have a nice large French window here for the natural lighting and ventilation. And right behind it, you have this cabinets or showpiece area here where you can add in your books and throw in some additional showpiece as well. So this is the quite cozy study area of this 3.5 BHK apartment. Now let me take you to the first bedroom. You have a nice bedroom space here, which can be used again as a kid's bedroom or a guest bedroom. And what I like about this place is how smartly they've utilized the space near the window to accommodate a little seating space there. This accommodates a nice queen size bed and has nice high ceilings as well. And here on the side you have nice tall wardrobe space with additional cabinet space. And adjacent to the bed, you have your side table area as well. And you have your television area here with added cabinets in the bottom. The room is quite spacious and very well ventilated. And this room also has a nice attached bathroom area, which is again spacious and well ventilated with anti-skid tiles and luxury bath fittings. Now let's move to the second bedroom. So as I move to the next bedroom, before I show you the next bedroom, I couldn't help but notice this nice tucked in space here, which has added cabinets which can be used to place your showpieces or to add some crockery sets, and nice cabinets here for extra storage space. Before I show you the next bedroom, we have a common bathroom space here with anti-skid tiles and luxury bath fittings. And right adjacent to that, we have our kids' room or guest bedroom. You could use it however you like. And it has nice large windows here which opens up to a nice balcony space outside. You have a queen size bed with enough space on either sides, and also nice wardrobe space for maybe if you have two kids on either sides, along with enough space to accommodate their books. And right opposite to the bed, you have space here which can be used as a bookshelf or a television space. Let's have a look at the balcony here outside that connects to the living room balcony, overlooking the garden area outside. Now that was the second bedroom for you guys. Now let me take you to the master bedroom. Come, let's have a look at it. Now let's have a look at the master bedroom. So this is the master bedroom of the 3.5 BHK model flat. It's again a nice spacious master bedroom. Comfortably accommodates a queen size bed or a king size bed. It has nice television area here. You can mount a nice large television, and then you have this outside balcony area as well. Come, let's have a look at it. It's an individual balcony area. It doesn't connect with any other balcony in the house. It's a nice cozy spot for your evening tea or to just sit down and read a book. As we move inside, we again have enough space here on either side of the bed to accommodate the side tables, and you have nice space here itself. Here also to add some extra cabinets. I like this little walk-in closet space here which accommodates two large wardrobes, quite spacious and nice. And then you have a big spacious bathroom here with anti-skid tiles and luxury bath fittings. So this was the 3.5 BHK apartment, and this is the master bedroom of the Right Life by Manaskanda. If you like this property, do not forget to register with us at housey.com and book a free site visit, or do not forget to click on the link below and download the e-brochure for more details about the project. So if you like this property and want to see more such interesting properties, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.